Take you to Chula Vista this morning. We're seeing some high clouds passing, and we will see some of those through the day today. Anything from mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies for most of the day today. Temperatures are starting off on a really mild note. In fact, look at all the 60s we're seeing. Alpine, Fallbrook, Vista, Carlsbad, La Jolla, downtown, Kearney, Mesa. Compared to yesterday morning, temperatures are up anywhere from about 1 to 10 degrees warmer. Fallbrook, the biggest spread right there. And today is going to be just about as warm as yesterday. Temperatures still trending about 5 to 15 degrees below normal as high pressure still sits over the desert southwest, bringing in that warm air. But we are actually going to see a lot of storms passing by to the north of us. We're going to be on the very tail end of every single one of them, so really just a slight chance for some drizzle, maybe a few showers, mainly out of a deepening marine layer this week. So today, well above normal. By Thursday, temperatures will be 10 to 20 degrees cooler. In fact, a lot of areas are going to drop up to 10 degrees into tomorrow, and we are tracking that possibility of a few light showers, most of them coming through in the overnight and morning hours due to just a deeper kind of enhanced marine layer. So the first chance is going to be overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning, and then again Thursday, overnight Thursday into Friday morning, and maybe another chance Saturday morning. But for now, I'm going to keep the weekend dry. We're in the mid-70s today along our coast, and then mid-60s tomorrow and the rest of the work week. Inland neighborhoods, we're in the mid-80s today, dropping to the 60s tomorrow. Some areas still in the 70s like El Cajon, and then we'll see that slight chance for a few light showers. Impact should be pretty minimal, but remember, if you do have rain on the roads this week, just drive extra slowly. It could just be enough to kind of slicken them up. Temperatures in the 60s near 70 degrees in our mountains today, and then 50s tomorrow through Friday, and we'll stay in the 80s in the deserts.